Hi, my name is Dosha Charles and I am the founder and managing director of Survival Scholars. Today I am going to show you how to make paper and socks puppets using items right at home. Stay tuned for more info. Okay, great. So remember how I said that you can use items right at home? So this is my pouch with the items that I gathered from home that you can use as well. So we have pastel. You can use color pencils, markers, or even paint, anything to color your paper. Scissors to do all your cutting. I have crazy glue and glue stick. You can also use fabric glue. Tape. I have corks. This is an idea you can use for your eyes. Sharpener, pencil, and I also have some peas that I got in my pantry. This is an idea for your eyes as well. And most importantly, your socks and paper. Great, now it's time to assemble our pieces. Let's make sure that our puppet is positioned correctly. So this is how we'll be holding our puppet, therefore the ears on this side and then the nose and mouth and everything else on the other side. So let's first assemble the ears. So I bent in the piece because I want my ears to flap and move. And there you go, a puppet, a paper puppet. You could have used the peas for the eyes or even the cork, but I chose to use only paper. Maybe I'd use the peas for my sock puppet. Stay tuned to see more. And thank you so much to our sponsor, Nestle, for sponsoring Cases of Orchard for Survival Scholars Puppet Party, Puppets Performing Poetry.